The other types of dry abrasives are in these bags over here. These are various kinds of loose grits like corn cob, walnut shell, aluminum oxide, things like that. And these are oftentimes used to provide light cleaning or polishing. So because they're not heavy like some of these other medias that we pass around, these wet medias, some of those have some heft to them. These really are just kind of to provide like light surface finishing. So if you needed to remove some real light oxidation off of a part, you might tumble it with some walnut shell or some aluminum oxide. Or a lot of people that do stamping, with stamping oils, they'll use corn cob to kind of clean the part and things like that.